hello guys, welcome into my channel. So it's the fourth video of Python. So today I will tell you like how you create a list and tuple and what is the difference between a list and a tuple. So here I will show you what is a list. Firstly, list is what? Firstly, I will create a variable. Okay, so I just add some names, Aman and Kaushal, and here in quotes, John. So here it is a list. You see here, and just do one thing, run it. So I just print it in, and here you see it's a list. List is also editable. You can add anything, like I can just here you can see I can use an and index first, like 0 1 2. Okay, so here is 1 means you need to print Kaushal. So if I can print, just see, Aman, and if I can write here 2, it need to be print John. So that's right, it's a indexing here, like also start with a 0 1 then 2. So I just, okay, that's good. So it's a list. So what is a tuple? Tuple is na, you can write anything, Aman, Kosher, and last one is Peter, just suppose. Okay, na. So here you see it is in a parenthesis, and it is not like editable. If I want to add something, like here you see here, just see 0 1 2 3, 3 is equal to Ron. Okay, so now you see I just print and it is added in an editable form. So John is changed into Ron because I add indexing 2, I changed to Ron. So here you see na into, here is a Peter, so I updated it, na 2 equal to okay, just suppose Deepak. I just print need to print. So tuple object does not support item assignment. It does not editable, so that's the issue. In a tuple you cannot edit it. So that's a good idea. Okay, so now we can move to a next part. It's a loop. So I can show you firstly a for loop, how you can use the for loop. So I can use this list here in a for loop. I can just add this one, run it, and for I in an, okay, print, then I print Aman Kaushal John. So for loop is working here. So here you see how for loop is working. And about a while loop, I is equal to 1. So while I greater than equal to, or like 4, if I greater than equal to 6, then print value is true. See, value is true. I do not mention here like how many times it need to be print, but if the value is more than, like less than 6, then it need to be print. If the value is 10, it does not need to print anything. So it's a while loop here. I hope you like this video. So for our next part, we can update soon. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you guys.